Good morning and happy Monday. I wanted to pop in and talk about what you guys are going to be working on this week in reading, writing, math, and social studies. So I'm going to share my screen with you and we're going to talk about different things to do this week. So starting today, Monday, you're going to watch your reading lesson. It's Miss Roberts teaching you about nonfiction structures. And then you're going to look at this chart to help you decide what structures you think these book titles would be. Okay, and if you can't access that, they have a nonfiction text structure match for you to complete as well. For math, you're going to click on this link to watch a video about multiplication with arrays. So you're doing arrays with multiplication again this week. After you watch the video, I want you to draw 5 arrays using these multiplication sentences. Okay, in social studies this week, you're learning about Juliette Gordon Low. So you're going to be doing a couple activities this week for her. She is the founder of Girl Scouts, so that's kind of fun. And there's a fun activity at the end of the week that you get to decide if you could create a Girl Scout cookie, what would your cookie taste like and look like? Today, what you're doing is reading the attached worksheets called Juliette Reading and Questions, and then you're going to answer questions from her. After you are done with all of your work, I want you guys to put all of your technology away and play either inside or outside, be creative, and stop using your technology because all of your schoolwork is on the computer. So after you're done with your schoolwork, you shouldn't be using technology anymore because you still need to be able to play inside and play outside and be creative. So I just wanted to remind you of that. After this video, I'm going to be doing a read aloud. And this is a fun book called Spaghetti and Meatballs for All, and it's a math story. So look for that link on my YouTube in just a few minutes.